40 yet.
Right here on my lap, nigga.
That nigga said, like, as I get the 40 yet.
About to see it ride. Remember the Beastman GOG Syndicate system, aka Pyro Gate, can take the cinnamon challenge. We tried to give it to Dre, but he said he ain't doing that shit.
Man, go get the cinnamon in the spoon, B.
Would you do it?
You don't need dog. You don't need the far shit running, bro.
The cinnamon challenge.
Nigga, hell yeah, I'll do that shit with no problem. Nigga,
$40.
For what?
$40.
40?
It's a double. It's a double.
Nigga, I'm telling you that I'll do that shit right now.
If you don't do it, it's double. If you don't do it, you owe me 80.
Yeah, if you don't do it, you owe me 80.
Alright, if I do, you owe me 100. So, it don't matter.
I'm putting up 40.
I mean, you can put up 40, but I'm gonna need 100. If I,
Man, hold on, dog. This
Man,
turn
go get the
this
spoon
is
and
the
the
cinnamon
cinnamon,
challenge
man.
to some gambling type shit.
I'm doing that shit for sure.
Like they said, if you don't win, you gotta pay me 8. If you don't swallow it, you gotta pay me 8. This nigga hustling, y'all. Cause I'm not gonna swallow that
You
girl.
ain't talking about Rob, you talking about Eddie.
Alright, so look, you know side bet. Y'all niggas going one-on-one.
Sad bet? You want a sad bet?
Going one-on-one on these.
I mean, suppose you
Look,
gotta take
dog,
What?
I'm a nigga with $0 trying to take the cinnamon challenge, nigga. And trying
I don't
to
got
get
no
the
money.
flavor.
Nigga about to knock that
Eddie
motherfucker
make
off.
that money should go right in my pocket.
Who's going to accept the cinnamon challenge? To be continued.
Man, let Eddie do it. It's going
Beastman!
Hey,
Cinnamon challenge!
This nigga said.
Dog, I'm on that.